Hi everyone, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how I cook up my really easy cabbage recipe, y'all. We're starting off with 3 heads of cabbage, and I'm seasoning it with Morton seasoned salt. I'm doing lemon pepper, which is from Mrs. Dash lemon pepper, and Mrs. Dash original blend. Okay, so it's better to under season than over season, like I always say, because when you're halfway finished cooking, you can taste your food. Okay, y'all? All right, so before we start cooking, do not add water to y'all cabbage, okay? Please don't add no type of liquid to the cabbage because the cabbage makes its own liquid. Now, you do want to add 2 tablespoons of oil at the bottom of the pot that you're cooking it in, okay? So the cabbage won't stick. So you can add olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever type of oil you want. We're adding in some smoked pigtails, Savoy smoked sausages, and andouille smoked sausages as well, y'all. All right, and now it's time to add in our vegetables as well. I'm just adding in 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, and 2 celery stalks. Now I'm just showing y'all 20 minutes into cooking, okay? This is how it should look 20 minutes into cooking. All right, y'all, this is how it should look 40 minutes into cooking, okay? So this is how it should look in 40 minutes. Now this is an hour into cooking our cabbage, okay? As you guys can see, that liquid, it made its own liquid. Now this is completely optional, y'all. We're going to go ahead and put bacon in, okay? Any type of bacon you want. You don't even have to do it. And then you're going to drain your bacon once it cooks, and you're going to add it to your cabbage. This is still an hour later, y'all, okay? All right, this is an hour and 15 minutes later. As you guys can see, our cabbage is done, y'all. Okay, so very simple and easy recipe, y'all, to follow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all, don't forget to love one another. God bless and peace.